Welcome to J&J's test video of 9686 0457 GTO automatic. Excuse me, 146,000 miles. Just kind of beat up, rusty. Core support was bondoed. It's very interesting. Bumpers fair to Midland. Just rest car's rusty. Bondoed in the quarters. Just seen some stuff. It runs alright. Transmission works. Some other stuff's junk. Seats are bad, like all of them. I'm sure the headlights are broken. You look in there, if I push your hand, oh yeah, see? This is all that counts. Take it for a drive around the yard. Hood seems to be okay. All right. Transmission's a little slow to move around, but does all right. Oh. Yeah, see, that transmission's got a little something. Little something, something. Yeah, see, slipping. That's what's wrong with it. The transmission's bad. As you drive it, you can feel it. Watch, it's in gear. Now I'll give it gas on the hole. Watch. Woo! Now we're moving. Yeah, trans is bad. That's why we try to drive them around. Watch reverse. There she goes. All right. As always, thank you for watching. Oh, the center console's full. These poor cars, man. Tell you what, they're like the whole era of GM where everything just falls apart. Still runs and drives, but it'll just fall apart. All right, thank you for watching, and as always, have your pets spayed and neutered.